Alright, the Grc X3B, I believe it is, Bodycam. A little unboxing here real quick. Alright, so you get the camera itself, power cord, power brick, the micro, I don't know, what is this? No, this is mini USB. Mini USB power cord. Alligator clip, it rotates. Now, when I put it on, you'll see it rotates. And another clip, shoulder clip. Alright, so there you go. Software disk, I don't know. Yeah, I never use these because, I just don't. Anyhow, okay, so what do we got here? It's 128 gigabyte version. I was using this for a little bit where I got it today. All right, so here you got the lens, obviously, and the LEDs and the infrared lights. The back, you got the the screen. I didn't take the protector off of it yet. I'll do that now. And GRC branding. You get the buttons on the back. USB on the side, mini USB, and a reset button here. Picture taking button, microphone button, audio recording button. In the back you get these are for the menu navigation and playback. Is the bracket to put the clip in. I'll do that real quick, show you. So this goes into from the side. I don't know why they do it this way. I guess it's for space. There's no, space constraints. I guess they do it from the side. Pop it in like that. It's gonna be in the way of the screen. It's gonna be in the way of the screen like this. That's why they make it rotate. Yeah, so there you go. Alligator clip. Alright, so turn it on. Hit that button there, and it comes on. Power button. You heard it come on. Alright, so what do we got here? Date and time is already set. Function button. Short press turns on the LEDs. Or not the LEDs, the infrareds, like that. Long press turns on the LED, the flashlight, so you can see better at night. Long press turns off the LED. Short press turns off the infrareds. It's got one touch start, so if you long press this button right here for 3 seconds, it starts it up and it immediately starts video recording. So you don't. Hopefully you won't miss anything important that you're trying to record. There you go. You get the indicators here. The green indicator means it's in standby mode, and it turns red when you restart recording. And this one over here, I believe, is I think it's for charging. I'm not sure. Hold on. Yeah, I know I have to recharge this. So you can record. This is blue to indicate that it's charging. This one's green, standby mode, and this one's blue to indicate that it's charging. I'm not sure, I forget which color it turns when it's fully charged, but yeah, you get the idea. You can charge it and record at the same time. Alright, menu. This is your resolution, megapixels, burst mode, self-timer, go to the different continuous shooting, the quality, keep it on. It's fine, super fine, and normal, I think it is. I'm not sure. Yeah. So I think super fine is the best quality. So I just keep it on that. Pre-record, post-record. Car DV mode, you could use it as a dash cam. Loop record on. I just keep that on. So you can set to record 45. You can set for 3, 5, 10, 15, 30, and 45 minutes, depending on how long you want the loop recording segments to be. Turn the lights on and off. Infrared, either manual or automatic, depending on the light situation. Whether it's dark outside or light outside. Motion detection. Set it on or off. Record warning, on or off. Language, self-explanatory. How long you want the screensaver on. Brightness. Auto power. LED lights on or off, ketone on or off. I just have it off because it's annoying. You can set the volume, how the volume of the ketones and the stuff like that. You can set passwords. You can set up ID. Change password. Set up the time. Default. You go back to the default setting if you want. Yeah, and the version of the software that's on it. That's pretty much it. How to play back the video? You you go back to, you hit the play button there and then hit OK, and it shows the videos. You could play those back if you want. I just hook it up to my computer and do it that way. Oh yeah, the resolutions. Resolutions available are 1296, 1080, 1440 by 1080, 1280 by 720, 1280 by 720, 480, 480, and there you go. I'll post the you know, the bit rate of the video and the quality and all that kind of stuff. So let's show you what that's like. I'll go into some sample video right now. So that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll leave a link in the description, and that's it. All right, thanks. Perfect. Yeah, I'm testing the Grc Bodycam, checking audio and video quality to make sure it's working properly and blah blah blah, you know the deal. Yesterday was an abysmal day. Didn't get many orders for whatever reason. It's raining now, so that'll help.